good morning. Welcome to Fitous Thai Kitchen. Today we're going to make fried chicken. Easy way, and for the people who don't have much time or marinate 1 or 2 hours or half day, okay, but before we put all the ingredient, we cut in, make it the cut like this and easy to cook, and the taste can absorb very quick. Okay, we using drumstick 800 gram today, or you can use any part of chicken thigh, chicken breast, right? And today I use this one. All right, okay, the ingredient we use today here, of course, sugar, salt, fish sauce, and the most important is tempura flour, garlic powder, coriander powder, and black pepper. Yeah, that's it, all the it. I cut first. Okay, I cut the chicken from the side to side. Yeah, and easy to absorb the taste and easy to fry. But I don't use the chopping board today because it's easy, right? Then the other side. And our fried chicken today we're going to have with the dip sauce, and we show later how to make a dip sauce, right? Okay, the ingredient. Okay, we put the black pepper, this one as you like. The amount we use today about half teaspoon, or you can put more or less depending on how you like it. 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, and fish sauce, 1 tablespoon of fish sauce. Okay. And now we mix all the ingredients together. So you mix and 2-3 tablespoons of tempura flour, and then you mix it. Look, a little bit of too dry. Add a little bit of water, about 2 tablespoons of water. Okay, now you get the chicken and all the ingredients look like this after you mix. Okay, now I have prepared the cooking oil. We don't need to leave or marinate 1 hour or 2 hours. That's why for the people who don't have much time and also hungry, right? We just wait for the cooking oil getting hot. The heat, medium heat, about 150 Celsius. Now you can see if the bubbles start to come up, or you can try with a little bit of flour. Okay, you can see it, right? This one getting hot. Ready? Okay, you try one first. Yeah. Okay, yeah, the bubble come up. Okay, you should one side is take about 8 to 10 minutes, and then you turn to the other side. It take less about 5 or 6 minutes. Okay, now the color start get change to golden brown. Yeah, you can see. Actually today we don't need to turn because we put quite a lot of cooking oil, and the heat go on over the chicken. Yeah. Okay. A few more minutes more. Then all together we fry. We take about 15 minutes. Yeah, we yeah, we fry until this one, until the chicken crispy or cook. It take about 15 minutes. Now we getting there. Look, and the color, yeah, right, really golden brown.
Color
ดีไหม Yeah, because this one small one. Yeah, here we are. Here we are. Okay, now we've got fried chicken. Now we already got fried chicken. Now we're going to make the sauce. Ingredient: white vinegar 500 ml. Okay, the amount of vinegar 500 ml. Sugar 500 gram. Salt 1 tablespoon. Garlic about 10 cloves, and chilli. You can put more if you like hotter. But this one only one portion, and the rest you can keep in the fridge. You can leave for a few months. If you do want it next time, you just grind this one and put it. That's it. Okay. Okay. Before I put this one, I just grind this one first. This amount. Put this one only one portion, just for the chicken today. Okay, that's it. And now we're going to make this one. We put the vinegar first, but don't on the gas, right? And then sugar, one tablespoon of salt. That's it. And then you stir. Until this one melt and go well together, and then you on the gas. The reason why we don't on the gas, because when we on the gas, all this one stuck. Yes, stuck in the wok. Okay, that's it, and you stir until become thicker. That's it. It's only about a few minutes. Okay, right. It's น้ำจิ้ม It take about 5 minutes to stir fry this one. Now we get the thicker. Look, 5 minutes. Then now I off the gas. You can see this one. When it's cool down, it's more thick. Okay, now we put chili and garlic, the one we grinded, put in here. เดี๋ยวดูอีกแป๊บน้ำจิ้มไก่ฉัน alright yeah น่ากินไหมyeah ready the dipping sauce and the rest don't forget keep in the fridge put in the and the rest don't forget keep in the fridge can last for ages if next time if you want to do it just try this one set away put and you can dip with the fried chicken fried fish grilled chicken grilled fish anything you like it make the food is tasty a lot better that's it enjoyed it thank you and goodbye
Right, so let's give this a go. This fried chicken smells amazing. Sauce smells amazing. Oh, spicy. I can taste all the garlic, coriander. Oh, that's good.